I see the problem here. I see why it's running rich. It's leaking out the overflow hose. So there's still something wrong, something dirty in the carb, causing it to leak gas out the overflow. Let's try standing it up, see if that makes a difference. Because if it's standing up and it stops leaking, it might just be the float height. And it looks like it stopped. Let's lean it back over on the kickstand. Ah, it's the float height. Yeah, maybe. Stand it back up. Yeah, it stops. That looks like a float height issue. Oh, no, it's still leaking. Interesting. Let's take the bowl off and test the float height to see if it actually is stopping the gas flow. All right, I got the float bowl off, and we're gonna do a neat little test here. So what I'm gonna do, the gas is off right now. I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna manually raise the float. And when I do that, if it completely shuts off the fuel supply from the needle and seat right here, if it does that every single time I push it up, that means it's good. The needle and seat are still good, and I simply just need to lower the float height. However, if when I push it up and it always leaks, or it sometimes leaks, even when I'm pushing it up all the way, that means the needle and seat are dirty or worn out, and I'm gonna take this carb all the way off. So pay attention to this needle and seat area here. I am going to hold this up, and I'm gonna turn on the gas now. So the gas is on. It shouldn't be leaking out. So I'm gonna lower this, and gas should start leaking out. There we go. Okay, I'll put it back up, and gas is not leaking. So I'm just going to keep doing that a few times. And there you can see is a problem. It's not leaking as much, but there's still a drip even when I have it up. My suspicion is that the gas tank is dirty, or the petcock is dirty, and it's causing dirt, sediment, junk, whatever it is, to keep going down through the fuel line and into the carb and keep getting specks of dirt on the needle and seat. So occasionally it washes out and cleans it so it can seal properly, but then more dirt and junk keep going through and they get stuck on the needle and seat. So we're going to pull this carb out, give it a good ultrasonic cleaning, pull the tank off, clean the petcock, make sure everything is clean in there, and then we're going to put it back on and see if it works properly. See, it's still dripping there even when the float is up. It's not leaking a lot, but it's enough to cause problems to keep slowly filling the float bowl up and causing it to run rich and eventually leak out that overflow hose. And if you want a free guide on the 6 alarming signs that your dirt bike is running too rich or too lean, you should grab that in the description below. Did you find this helpful? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Kelly Fagan from MXHideout. Ride safe. Have fun.